Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Marble Rolling Pin is probably one of the most elegant and practical additions you can make to your kitchen arsenal, offering a superior rolling surface that keeps dough cool and prevents sticking, making it ideal for delicate pastries, pasta, and pie crusts, ultimately elevating your baking experience with its natural beauty and functionality. Number 5. Fox Run Polished Marble Rolling Pin with Wooden Cradle. Introducing an elegant rolling pin, crafted from 100% marble with smooth wooden handles. Its design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to focus on your baking. Each rolling pin features unique marble variations, making yours truly one of a kind. Embrace the natural beauty and individuality of this kitchen essential. The smooth surface offers natural non-stick properties, making cleanup a breeze. It's designed to handle all your cooking and baking tasks with ease. This rolling pin boasts a sophisticated design, complete with nylon ball bearings for effortless rolling. It also includes a stylish wooden base for convenient storage. Weighing 4.6 pounds, this rolling pin is perfectly weighted for stability and control. Its dimensions are 2.5 by 18 by 2.5 inches, making it a practical addition to your kitchen. What we like? This rolling pin boasts a sophisticated design with elegant wooden handles and a resting base. If you appreciate a blend of natural beauty and practical storage, this is the perfect choice for your kitchen. Its smooth marble surface ensures easy rolling and cleaning, making your baking experience more enjoyable. What people say? The marble is thick and heavy, which keeps the dough from sticking. It's a beautiful piece and very sturdy. The rolling pin is smooth and easy to grip. Number 4. Fox Run Marble Pastry Board. Meet your new essential baking companion. Crafted from 100% marble, it's perfect for rolling dough and preparing all your favorite pastries and desserts. Its naturally cool and non-stick surface makes baking a breeze. This beautiful slab isn't just for baking. It's also perfect for serving appetizers, cheeses, or creating stunning charcuterie boards. Elevate your entertaining with its versatile functionality. Make a statement when you serve. Each board boasts a unique pattern and coloration, adding a touch of elegance to any dining or entertaining space. Its sleek design is both functional and beautiful. Keep your countertop safe and sound. The non-slip rubber feet protect your surfaces and ensure it stays firmly in place while you work. With ample space, this board measures 16 by 20 inches, providing plenty of room for all your culinary creations. It's the perfect size for all your prep work. Experience the benefits of natural marble. Its cool temperature and non-stick properties simplify dough preparation and cleanup, making your baking experience more enjoyable. What we like? This large marble pastry board is incredibly versatile, serving not only for baking but also as a stylish serving platter. If you love to entertain and want a durable, beautiful surface for both food preparation and presentation, this board is ideal. Its non-slip feet protect your countertops and keep it stable during use. What people say? The rolling pin is made of solid marble, which gives it a good weight for rolling out dough. The board is also marble and provides a cool, non-stick surface that is perfect for pastry. The set comes with the wooden handles on the rolling pin, making it comfortable to grip and use. Number 3. 13 Chefs Marble Cutting Board. Introducing the 13 Chefs Marble Cutting Board, a beautiful and functional addition to your kitchen. Its generous size makes it perfect for a variety of culinary tasks. Measuring 16 by 12 inches and 1 2-inch thick, it's designed with raised feet to handle all your pastry needs. This board provides ample space for all your creations. Keep your doughs perfectly chilled with its naturally cool marble surface. This ensures flaky, tender results for all your baked goods, especially butter-heavy recipes. Work with confidence thanks to the non-slip grip provided by 6 raised rubber feet. It stays securely in place, preventing any unwanted sliding. Elevate your entertaining with its elegant, white and gray marble design. This decorative stone cutting board adds a touch of luxurious refinement to any gathering. Enjoy effortless cleanup with its non-porous, polished surface. It won't absorb odors or moisture, making it ideal for everything from tempering chocolate to everyday use. What we like? Experience perfect flaky results with this marble pastry board, featuring a naturally cool surface ideal for butter-heavy doughs. If you're a serious baker aiming for professional quality pastries, this board is a must-have. Its elegant design and non-slip feet add both luxury and practicality to your kitchen. What people say. The marble is thick and heavy, which is great for rolling out dough. The board is a good size and has a nice smooth surface. It looks beautiful on my counter and is easy to clean. Number 2. Marble rolling pin with wooden cradle set. Experience the superior non-stick rolling of our natural marble dough roller. Its smooth, cool surface makes baking effortless, and each piece boasts a unique, beautiful pattern to enhance your kitchen's aesthetic. This rolling pin offers a substantial barrel size for all your dough needs. Its comfortable handles and substantial weight make rolling out everything from pizza to pies a breeze. Designed for ease of use, it features high-quality bearings and handles for smooth 360-degree rotation. The protective rubber rings ensure durability and effortless rolling for all your favorite pastries and doughs. Cleaning is a breeze as it won't absorb oils or moisture. Simply wipe it down or rinse with water, and it's ready to use again after drying. Enjoy long-lasting use without worries of cracking or odor. We are dedicated to providing cost-effective products and excellent service. Enjoy a superior shopping experience with our high-quality after-sale support. What we like. This marble rolling pin offers a premium baking experience with its thick handles and smooth, non-stick surface. If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-clean rolling pin that adds a unique touch to your kitchen, this is it. Its substantial weight and quality construction make rolling dough effortless. What people say. The marble is cool to the touch, which is great for pastry. It is a beautiful and heavy set, and the rolling pin is smooth and easy to use. The board has a nice lip on one side to keep it from sliding. Number 1. Flexzion Marble Rolling Pin, 10-inch polished stone. Experience effortless dough preparation. Its natural weight ensures uniform thickness with minimal effort, making your baking tasks simpler. The smooth, cool marble surface prevents dough from sticking. This means no more tearing or mess, unlike traditional wooden pins. Enjoy a hygienic baking experience. This stone pin resists stains and odors, and cleans up quickly with just soap and water. Achieve secure control with its ergonomic wooden handles. The included stand keeps it stable and prevents it from rolling off your counter. Perfect for everyday baking, its ideal size handles everything from bread to pizza dough. It's compact yet sturdy for all your baking projects. What we like. Achieve effortless, even rolling with this weighted marble rolling pin, designed for hygienic and easy cleaning. If you desire a tool that makes dough preparation simple and efficient, this is the perfect fit. Its cool, non-stick marble surface and comfortable grip ensure a superior baking experience. What people say. The marble rolling pin and board set is a great addition to any kitchen, providing a cool and smooth surface for rolling out dough. It's perfect for delicate pastries and pie crusts, as the marble helps keep the dough from sticking. The set is also aesthetically pleasing, with a natural marble finish that adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.